Perkenalkan, nama saya Samuel Hans Kristanto, asal sekolah saya SMA Mardiowaluya Cibinong. Saya angkatan ke-42 dari kelas 1F. Tujuan maksud dari video ini adalah mendapatkan nilai UTS mata kuliah Psikologi of Service.
Psychology of Service. What is psychology? Psychology is a discipline that studies human mentality, thoughts, and behavior. Scientific discipline examines the flow of human thought and the reasons behind these behaviors and actions. Psychology is often used to solve problems or find appropriate solutions in complex human activities. Why we need study psychology? Psychology helps you identify human attitudes as an effort to adapt and relate to other people in a group or individual scope, so that make it easier for us to understand thoughts, feelings in their own way. The role of psychology in the tourism industry. First, employee deployment appropriate person for appropriate job. So there is self-satisfaction for that person. 2. Help every tourism person to have serving characteristic for all customer or person they serve. 3. Help to build self-development after this very persons knowing and understand their own weakness and strength. 4. Helping individual to self-motivate themselves in relation to their own professional problems. 5. Helping individual to have well-adaptive behavior at their working environment. There are 3 human activities studied in psychology. 1. Psychometric activities. Individual activities that relate to human body parts mechanism, like running, crying, punching, dancing, logging in, then continues. 2. Affective activities. Activities relating to human feeling or emotion, like madness, daydreaming, sadness, happiness, joy, like or dislike. 3. Cognitive activities. Activities relating to brain mechanism or mind, like observing, judging, concluding, arguing, speaking. Meaning of term service in hotels or restaurants. Service is the act of handling a task. It's the intangible good that certain industries provide, including the hotel industry. Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Psychological needs like hunger, thirst, sex, and air. 2. Sense of security. 3. Social needs. 4. Self-esteem needs. And 5. Self-actualization needs. Guest. Guest is a person who comes to a place that doesn't belong to him, with the aim of buying something, enjoying the atmosphere, looking for food, and much more. They are the people who need the service, attention, affection, and treatment. The people who react quickly and efficiently with their sensitivity. How to address customer complaint. 1. Take the complaint without any argument, but not meaning to agree with the complaint. 2. Keep calm when having to face it. 3. Making a note about the complaint. 4. Imply willingness to learn from personal experience when addressing the guest complaint. What is self? Self is psychologically that enable self reflection affects the awareness experience, which underpinning all kinds of perception, beliefs, and feelings about themselves, as well as those who allows people to regulate its own behavior. What is perception? Perception is a process against stimulus. As a process, perception always requires an object. How to increase your self-esteem? 1. Talk to yourself. 2. Focus on the bigger picture. 3. Always look at the positive side. Nonverbal communication. Nonverbal communication is communication that doesn't use words. For example, using body language such as facial expression and hand movements, even voice intonation and speaking speed. Three-dimensional attribution causal. Source of causative factors or locus of causality, stability causative factors atau stability, ability control or control ability. Communication. Communication is a process of delivering information, message, ideas from one person to another. Two-way to communication. One-way communication is the learner listens or reads something but cannot respond. The communication is the one way, toward the learner, not from the learner. Two-way communication always include feedback from the receiver to the sender and let the sender know the message has been received accurately. Both sender and receiver listen to each other, gather information, and are willing to make changes to work together in harmony. What is speaking? Speaking is one of the 4 language skills: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. It's the means work which learners can communicate with others to achieve certain goals or to express their opinions, intentions, hopes, and viewpoints. In addition, people who know a language are referred to as speakers of that language. Thank you.
Sekian presentasi dari video saya. Mohon maaf kalau ada salah-salah kata. Terima kasih dan sampai jumpa lagi.